$19.89. You walk in the store, you're gonna buy some 223. Here you get a box of Federals. This is what you get. Let me see. They give you your belt clip. Nice round holder here, so you don't make no noise. It's beautiful. $19.89. All right, let's jump to 2005. What they do now? Let's see here. What's going on in 2005? Let's see. It's a little shy. There we go. All right, they took away your belt clip, but they still got a pretty nice holder. There. Look at there. All right. So we go in Academy right now. We want to buy us yourself 5.56. Here's what they give us. You got this smaller than life box. And then of course it comes with a few missing. And oh man, they done took away our round hole. They give us this box. Took away our round holder. Which do you prefer?